People think jump rope is a recess toy, but if that's true, why do top boxers and pro athletes spend so much time using it and perfecting their skill? I've been using and teaching jump rope for over 15 years, and as a former athlete, I can tell you this is the one piece of equipment I could never go without, because it completely transforms your fitness and life. In this video, I'm covering 10 amazing benefits that no other exercise can compete with. Let's go. With a lot of cardio equipment like treadmills and stationary bikes, you can do it with very little skill or thought, which isn't necessarily always a bad thing. But if you can read a book and have a text conversation during your workout, are you really going to improve your fitness? These pieces of equipment allow for dwelling on your day to enter your mind, stressing you out all over again. This steals your mental peace as well as your intensity from your workouts. Jump rope, on the other hand, is amazing for your mind because it has the ability to clear your mind. Yes, at first you have to focus on learning how to jump rope, but once you get the basics down, it becomes a therapeutic flow. The craziness of your day is blotted out by the joy of flowing to your favorite song and getting your sweat on, letting out your excess energy and frustrations. I've had people tell me that it's helped with addictions, depression, and anxiety. While I can't scientifically prove all that, I can say I always feel better after a jump rope session. Jump rope is an amazing calorie burner. Here's how it stacks up against some of the top exercises. As you can see, you can burn more calories in less time with jump rope, making it a very efficient, time-saving workout. My average jump rope workout is between 15 and 30 minutes. This makes it a great option for busy people. And the reason it's so good is because it's not just cardio. Jump rope works a lot of muscles people don't think about. The most obvious is calves, and if you've jump roped at all, you know how much your calves and your shoulders start burning. This alone is great, but let's talk about the less obvious muscles worked. It also works your chest and back muscles. As your rope rotates, you have to stabilize your arms from moving back and forth, which involves your latissimus dorsi muscles, other back muscles, and chest muscles. This can be intensified by doing crossing skills and side swings, which push and pull the arms across your body. You can see how much more these muscles are activated when doing these skills. But we're not done. Even with basic jumping, you have to engage your core to stay balanced. But you can engage the core even more as you begin to learn different side-to-side and front-to-back movements. This can be done at a basic level all the way through advanced as you grow your skills. Now let's talk legs. As I already stated, calves are highly involved through jumping. But let's see how you can involve the upper legs or quads and hamstrings. Basic jumping doesn't involve the upper legs that much other than stabilization and holding the weight of your body, because your legs shouldn't be flexing much at the knees. But you can drastically increase the work of your legs by learning skills like jump lunges and squat jumps. These types of skills are not only taxing for the lower body, but also incorporate side swings to involve the upper body, quickly making it a full body burner. Another easy way to increase full body muscle engagement is by using a heavy jump rope of 1 pound or more. It doesn't sound like much, but it is very challenging due to the pull of the rope as it's swinging around your body, greatly increasing the need to stabilize muscle groups and the power needed to move the rope. Jump rope, a full body torture? Check. Now let's talk about the best athletic benefits. If you need the most awesome jump rope known to man, I have my favorite linked below. A lot of people think they can't jump rope because they aren't coordinated enough. But coordination is actually a learned skill. We all have different starting points, and jump rope is a great tool for developing hand, eye, and foot coordination. You build this through learning timing, different rhythms, and various skills. So don't be intimidated, but embrace your current coordination level and watch it grow by using this amazing tool. I love this next benefit because it keeps me ready for every sport, hobby, and pretty much anything life can throw at me. Jump rope is a fantastic endurance workout. I don't do any other kind of consistent cardio exercises other than jump rope. But whenever I jump in a game of basketball, beach volleyball, or these days go on a hard mountain bike ride, I'm always shocked how good my endurance is. I feel like I can go for a long time, and even when I do get tired, I recover quickly and can jump right back in. And this is all just from 15 to 30-minute workouts. This benefit is essential for building foot speed and quickness. It will help you stop and change directions faster and will make you a better all-around athlete. In order to jump rope fast, you have to be able to get on and off the ground quickly. But this doesn't just build speed and quickness. It will also develop agility when paired with the right skills, moving side to side and front to back. You will become a force to be reckoned with. Another benefit that comes with speed is reaction time. As you move the rope faster and faster, you will learn to change timing, avoid trips, and adjust your jump height on the fly so you can continue performing at the highest level possible. Jump rope is also great for building bone density. In order to build muscle, you have to stress the muscle you have, causing it to build back better and stronger. The same thing happens through the repetitive light impact of jump rope. It stresses your bones, causing them to build up strength against impact. This is why you need to gradually build up how long you jump rope when you're starting out, because the biggest threat of injury is overuse injuries. However, these are easy to reduce by starting out with a plan. Now, this benefit is what makes jumping uniquely yours. It allows for creativity. Freestyles are made up of various skills put together in different patterns, and everyone is going to do it differently. Nobody jump ropes just like someone else. We will all take the same skills and perform them in a slightly different way, adding in your own flair. One example is my side swings. They are my favorite skill, and I've had people message me over and over stating how I do them differently than others. I can't say that I can explain it other than I've learned to do them very quickly. Through thousands of repetitions, it has become what it is, mine. Everyone will have their own version of this, and it makes for unending learning and progression, which keeps you excited and coming back for more. Now, these last two benefits are why I think jump rope is the MVP and one of the best kept secrets in fitness. Jump rope is the most portable piece of equipment that can offer all the benefits that you've heard about. You can do it inside or outside. You can easily take it on vacation without it taking up too much space, and you get the same amazing workout no matter where you're at, but often with a better view. It also pairs well with many other exercises and has the ability to get you in the best shape of your life. And this benefit may be a bit of a cliche, but it's true. It's what has kept me using it almost daily for 15 years, and it's because jump rope is fun. After all, it was something most of us did as a kid and tends to bring out a youthful joy. I love fitness, but jump rope is the one exercise I never dread. Even when I'm tired and don't feel like working out, I'll give it 5 minutes to just get some movement in. But it almost always turns into a 15 to 30-minute workout. And when you add in all the benefits we went over, it's a no-brainer to add to your routine. But there's only one problem. You need to learn how to jump rope the right way in order to enjoy these benefits quickly. Because if you don't, you'll struggle and deal with a lot of trips and frustrations, but I did all that so you don't have to. I show you exactly what you need to know to make learning easy in this video right here.